Update errors are common, but nearly all of them can be fixed. In this video, we will explain how to fix Windows update errors. When an update fails, it often shows an error code, which can help identify the cause. The first and easiest step is to run the built-in Windows Update Troubleshooter found in Settings under System and Troubleshoot. It detects and repairs many update problems automatically. Restart your computer and try the update again, since temporary glitches often clear after a fresh start. Make sure you have enough free disk space, as updates need room to download and install. Check your internet connection, because an unstable connection can interrupt downloads. If problems persist, you can clear the update cache by stopping the update service, deleting the temporary download files, and restarting the service, which forces a clean download. Pausing and resuming updates sometimes resets a stuck process. For stubborn cases, Microsoft offers a manual update catalog where you can download a specific update directly. Make sure your date and time settings are correct, as these can block updates. Working through these steps resolves the vast majority of update errors, keeping your system current and secure.